Daily Dose of 2 reviews here. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ultra Torque impact wrench from Hercules. Let me give you some of the specs on it. Breakaway torque is 14 foot-pounds. Max fastening torque is 800 foot-pounds at 10 seconds, 900 foot-pounds at 30 seconds. Speed 0 to 550 on first, 0 to 1180 in second speed, and 0 to 1600 in third speed. Impacts per minute 0 to 900 first speed, 0 to 1750 second speed, and 0 to 2150 in third speed. Weight is 6.2 pounds. Overall length is 9 inches. Now, you're not going to see me use this impact wrench. What's going to happen is you guys are going to watch my friend Michael test it out for me at the shop. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, this is Daily Dose of 2 Reviews. Hoping you guys subscribe, like, share. And for those of you that I know that you guys are waiting for the hammer drill and the recip saw from Hercules and the Cobalt, it's coming. Don't worry, I'll be making those videos soon. So thank you guys. Alright guys, so we're at the shop. This is the Ultra Torque, the Hercules. So it's gonna stay here today for the rest of the week. It's gonna stay with my buddy Michael, and he'll be testing it out. That'd be Michael.
Yes, sir.
So, see you guys in a bit.
There you go.
What speed did you have it on?
I just put it all the way that way to the
Automatic?
yeah, all the way to the right. So yeah, I mean, take it off. Let's do another one. Take it off. I think the problem is the socket, to be honest.
No, what now?
I said I think the problem is the socket, because look at the edges.
Yeah.
It's not perfect sized, but it took it off. So yeah, I mean, we answered our question. It's just really hot. I'm sure that's at 500. I'll go torque it later.
All right.
Before it goes out. Pretty good. Pretty good, man. That's what it looks like.
So you give it a good thumbs up?
We're good. Thumbs up.
Alright, Hercules 5 amp hour.
It's decent. Decent. Oh.
And that's not the high output batteries.
Nah, that's the basic one.
Yeah. No, I mean like the cells inside are not 21700.
Yeah.
That's Milwaukee with this 5 amp hour battery.
Alright, going back on. Should be good. This was the Hercules, correct?
Yes.
Easy.
Milwaukee.
Honestly, they're about the same.
Yeah.
About the same for this one. So either one, you're not going wrong with it, really, to be honest. Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Pretty easily, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's switch it over to both did it.
Yeah,
Low key,
okay.
kind of the same.
About the same time, and
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. About the
it
same.
kind of looked like the Milwaukee was a bit slower, like just in like a fraction of a second, you know?
Maybe.
I got a timer at home. Well, actually, that's another thing is you got to learn how to do the timers too.
I'll use this one.
I was about to say.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like he just likes using the Hercules now.
Let's keep it fair. Let's keep it fair.
See how close they got to 500 foot-pounds of torque. Putting it back in.
Let's see.
So did you do it until it stopped turning, or did you?
No, I did it for like 2 seconds.
Ah,
That's it.
oh,
So,
you did a count. Okay. Cool.
yeah.
So that's the Hercules,
Okay.
and that's the Milwaukee.
Oh. Wow. There we go.
Looks like the Hercules got it.
Hercules won this test. I can't lie. Oh.
All right, go for it, Michael.
It's pretty quick. See now, I mean, where's the other battery? Let me see. Thank you, sir. Let's do this. They're low key like the same, to be honest. So,
I think it's more of a runtime more than
Maybe.
power.
Yeah.
because they came off in almost the same amount of time. Let's see. That was like 5 seconds. Okay. Is this one right?
Yeah.
Whatever this one was better. I think this was the 5 amp.
You mean the 8 amp?
That's so weird. Like it's literally better than the 12 amp.
So you're impressed, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to be on YouTube?
I don't care. Kind of want one versus a.
So what did you think?
I'm surprised. Honestly, surprised that the Hercules performed better than Milwaukee. Well, in our
Especially in high torque applications like this 500 foot-pounds. So yeah, that's definitely. Honestly, I mean, for the money,
yeah, for the money, especially for the money.
bro, you're gonna spend 400, 500 on the good Milwaukee setup. This for like 200 to 300, this is solid. Definitely. So no, that 8 amp battery is solid. I didn't expect the 8 amp to do better than the 12 amp. But I mean, like you said, it's just one test. So, you know, with more testing, we'll be able to tell which one's really better. So
we'll do a second test later.
yeah, most definitely.
All right.